Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Actions overview. Actions are additional options that are available to the user for quick and easy access to relevant workflow events that have been set up prior to use. Results can easily be managed by using the available actions, which are able to send SMSs and emails, call the patient, or view and edit tasks and pathology reports. Actions can be found throughout the GoodX web app, such as on the clinical report screen, as well as on the chronic script expiry screen, and make communication between the practitioner and patient much quicker and easier. In today's video, we will start on the pathology screen on the clinical reports tab. Let us go over the actions on the pathology screen. For more information regarding the pathology screen, please refer to the clinical reports user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Treating Doctor drop-down to start filtering through the patients. Navigate to the actions found on the right side of the pathology screen. An explanation of each action will be given. Click on the Call button telephone icon when the user wants to call the patient. The Call Event Workflow Event screen will open where the user logs the call details made to the user. Please note the VoIP function is a paid service and would require the practice to contact their designated first client liaison to arrange the setup of the feature. For more information regarding the VoIP setup and settings, please refer to the VoIP settings user manual linked in this video's description. For more information regarding the Call Event Workflow Event screen, please refer to the VoIP call user manual linked in this video's description. If the user would like to close the call event screen without saving any changes, the user may click on the Close button. Or if the user prefers to save any notes and close the Call Event Workflow Event screen, the user may click on the Save button. Click on the SMS button on the cell phone icon to open the SMS Workflow Event screen. The SMS Workflow Event screen will open. Click on the Close button to exit the SMS Workflow Event screen without saving. Or click on the Send button to send the SMS. For more information regarding the SMS Workflow Event, please refer to the Workflow Event Template SMS Template user manual linked in this video's description. Next, let us go over the Email Workflow Event. Click on the Email button envelope icon to email the patient. The Email Workflow Event screen will open where the user can send an email to the patient with regard to their pathology results. The Email Workflow Event function would first need to be set up before the user is able to access the feature. For more information regarding setting up the Email Workflow Event function, please refer to the Email Workflow Event Template email template user manual linked in this video's description. Please note the user is able to select an email address from the Medibase list on the Email Workflow Event screen. Or alternatively, use a preloaded email address as loaded onto the data's files. For more information regarding the Medibase list, please refer to the Medibase List Search user manual linked in this video's description. If the user would like to exit the email workflow event without saving, the user may click on the Close button. Or if the user would prefer to send the email to the relevant patient and close the email workflow event screen, the user may click on the Send button. After the email workflow event, let us go over the Task button. Click on the Task button checklist icon when the user wishes to edit or update the patient's pathology results. The Task Item Workflow Event screen will open, where the user may view or edit or update the pathology request and give feedback in the feedback field with regards to the pathology results. For more information regarding the Task Item Workflow Event screen, please refer to the Task List Screen Overview user manual linked in this video's description. If the user would like to exit and return to the pathology screen without saving any changes, click on the Close button. Or if the user would rather prefer to save the task and close the Task Item Workflow Event screen, the user may click on the Save button. Lastly, let's go over the View button. Click on the View button eye icon when the user wants to view the patient's pathology results. The Pathology Workflow Event screen will open where the user may view the pathology report with regards to the pathology results. For more information regarding the Pathology Workflow Event screen, please refer to the Pathology Result user manual linked in this video's description. If the user would like to close the Pathology Workflow Event screen and return to the Pathology screen without saving, the user may click on the Close button. Click on the History button to view the history of the Pathology report. Or, if the user prefers to save any changes made in the Pathology Workflow Event screen, the user may click on the Save button.